Hi there, you have a chainsaw and you are getting tired to sharpen the chain? Well, look at this, because what I will show you, you won't do it ever again. On a previous video, I've told you about a chain that doesn't need sharpening, and I've decided to make that video for you. So here we've got two chains, one that you have to sharpen and the other one that you don't have to. So as you see, the difference is the same. But the difference is this one costs double than this one. Okay, so now I will show you what to look for and what to ask for. First, how to recognize them. Well, look here, it says micro, so this one we will file it. You see there's a file here, and this one duro, so this one you don't sharpen it ever. So that's one way to recognize on the box the difference. The back as well, there we go, you have it. You see, this one is like all steel, this one is like gold, so this one is made for very heavy jobs. Okay, so now I will show you the difference on the chain itself. Okay, here we've got the two chains side by side. This one is the one we don't sharpen, this one is the one we sharpen. And now I will show you some photos, because that will be a bit difficult for me to show you the difference close by. On the one we sharpen, you see this, there's only there's the chain itself, that's it. Now on the other one, it looks like there's something added to the chain, okay, which makes it much stronger. Okay, so that's what you look for when you want that type of chain. So what are the advantages and disadvantages to have a diamond blade like this? Disadvantages is of course the price. It's double more or less of a normal chain, but we always have for our money, isn't it? Other bad point, if you touch a stone, the chain is gone, the teeth will go and you will be good to buy another one. So for this I refer to when you fall a tree and you will cut it on the floor, make sure there's no stones or that you won't touch any stones, because that will be gone. I'm saying it because I've seen people working like that, and it's just plain crazy. If you got a normal blade, later you can file it, but this one will break. So that's the bad point. But anyway, if you know how to use a chainsaw, you won't have that problem. Okay, now the good point is obviously you won't have to file it, so it's a gain of time. And the other gain is obviously with the consumption of gasoline, because obviously it cuts always super well, so obviously you save time and obviously you save gasoline. Now some of you will ask me as well, what is the reference of the chain and how much it costs? Well, obviously I can give you the reference of that chain, but that won't be very useful to you, because if you don't have the same chainsaw as me, it won't fit on your machine. Okay, so what you do, you go to the Stihl dealer, you tell them what you want and they will give you the chain accordingly. The price vary depending of the length of the chain you need. This one is for a blade of 45 centimeters and it cost me about 60 euro. Now obviously if yours is shorter, it will be less pricey, obviously. So depending of your machine, so there's no need for me to give you a reference or price. Okay, as well depending of your country, price vary as well. Okay, now if this is available for other machines, other brands, to be honest, I don't know. I usually work with that brand. I love it personally, never give me any problems. So what you can do, you can ask for diamond blade on other brands and see if they have it available. Okay, so now if you know people that use chainsaw, don't hesitate to share that video, because obviously that will be useful to them if they don't know about this. And I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care, ciao.